Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new Valorant video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to play Jett in Valorant. Basically, Jett is a duelist agent in Valorant, and duelists are supposed to kill people and be the one that starts the fights. So basically, as a Jett player, I really highly suggest that when you start the game, try to play on your E cooldown. So the first thing that you must know as a Jett player is whenever you use your E, so for example now I use my E, and let me just turn on this infinite ability. So here we go, I turn it off. So here we go, now I used my E, it is now off. So as you can see in my ability, you will see here there is two boxes or two X's. So basically what that means, whenever you will kill two people, you will have your E back. So for example, if I kill two guys now, bam, bam, I will have my E back and I will be able to use it in the same round that I have used it before. So you don't really have to buy it. And basically guys, each round you die and you get revived, you will have your E back, so you don't really have to buy it as well. Now, what are these Jett abilities? First of all, you have the smoke, which is her C. So as you can see now, I'm gonna smoke this place. And basically some of you guys, or the majority of you guys don't know that you can actually move the smoke. So how you can do it? So as you can see, I can keep moving it in the sky. So let me just make it infinite abilities. So for example, I can use it and drop it down. So as you can see here, now let's for example drop it somewhere in here. Let me just drop it for example here. I can make go there, so you can just play with your smoke Phoenix E, if you know it, or Phoenix Wall. The second thing that you must know, let me just end game pause, let me just stop the time, so we will no longer have the timer. Here we go. So as you can see guys, if I went over there and I'm here, for example, and I really want to smoke this place without peeking. So what I'm going to do is, you can just do something like so, and something like that. You can do it, or you can basically just move it. For example, you want to smoke inside, you can just do it like that. So I've smoked inside the place. So this is a use of Hersey, which is smoking. But the smoke of Jett has really low cooldown. So when you use it, it will be like for a couple seconds and until it's goes off. Now the second ability that she got, it is her Q, which allows you to jump. So here we go. As you can see, you can jump twice in a game, and basically the her passive is when you actually jump. So let me just go up here, and if I clicked on space and I kept holding it, you can see that I'm kind of floating in the sky until I fall down. So you can't really have uh, falling damage if you keep holding your space while falling down. Now, this is her passive and Q. The third one, which is her E, which you all know, which is dashing. So we can use her E whatever you'd like. So for example, if I'm looking forward, I can actually move to this way even when I'm looking forward. So here I am. I can use it to the other side. So here we go. So it depends on which key you are going to press. So this is for behind. You can make a combo between your Q and E. So you can make it look something like that and keep ulting people. Now let's go to ultimate. There is two kinds of ultimate with Jett. So let me just use my ultimate. Okay. So basically your ultimate, it deals 50 per knife. So for example, I hit someone in the body, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. And if you hit someone in his head, you will one shot him or one tap him. Now, if you use your ultimate, there is two ways of throwing your keys, your knife, the right click and the left click. The left click will throw one knife, but the right click is actually going to throw all your knives. So something like that is gonna be, here we go, something like so. And basically, the further it is, the more random your knife are going to be. So as you can see there, my knives are not in one point. So let me go, for example, here, and you can see here it is much random. But if I went to the target and I shoot it, it will be dead in 1 second. And basically, guys, if you kill someone with one knife, your ultimate is going basically to get reset. But if you kill someone with all your knives, something like that, you will definitely use your ultimate. And of course, one more thing, which is after Jett got multiple nerfs, if you hold your ultimate and you try to shoot someone in his legs, you will not be able to shoot it or damage him. And also your E now, you have to click your E before like using it. So when you click your E, you will not dash automatically. You will have to wait until this thing appears. So you have to click on your E twice. So here E and then E. So once more, I'm clicking now E and now A. So that's how you can use Jett abilities. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.